Affilorama Honest Review 2023. Today I'm taking a look at Affilorama's free membership. This program was founded by Mark Ling, a highly successful affiliate marketer who has made millions throughout his career. With the creation of Affilorama, Mark had a vision of creating a platform with more than 100 video lessons tailored to help beginner to intermediate affiliates develop successful websites, similar to his own. After testing out the free membership, I can confidently say that Affilorama lives up to its promise of delivering an amazing learning experience for those looking to make it in the world of affiliate marketing. It's hard to believe, but Mark wasn't always the successful affiliate marketer he is today. In fact, he was once a broke college student like the rest of us. He was looking for a way to make more money and stumbled upon the world of affiliate marketing. After putting in the hard work, Mark started to see the rewards, thousands of dollars a week, and he was on top of the world. It just goes to show that with hard work and dedication, anyone can achieve success. However, things quickly took a turn for the worse when Google slapped him with a hefty penalty and his income dropped dramatically. As a result, John was left in a massive amount of debt and he was unable to recover from the devastating financial blow. When faced with the challenge of succeeding in the competitive world of affiliate marketing, he almost gave up. He put his dreams on hold and decided to take a day job, believing it would be a more secure lifestyle. But after taking the job, he realized that it wasn't for him and he decided to give it one more go. He worked tirelessly to revamp his marketing strategies, and after much hard work, he was finally able to achieve success. Now, he is reaping the rewards of his efforts and has realized that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. He is a true inspiration for anyone looking to break into the world of affiliate marketing. He is living proof that success is possible with hard work and dedication. Not only has he achieved multi-millionaire status through affiliate marketing, he is generous enough to share his knowledge and experience with others. His free Affilorama membership is a great way for budding affiliate marketers to learn about the industry and get the support they need to become successful. I highly recommend it for anyone looking to get a start in the world of affiliate marketing. Once you sign up, you'll be given access to over 100 plus free video lessons. These lessons cover pretty much any topic you can think about and teach you a ton about how to become a successful affiliate marketer. Topics include how to pick profitable products to promote, how to build and design websites, how to get SEO traffic, how to use PPC traffic effectively, how to outsource and scale your business. Because Affilorama offers over 100 plus lessons, it is an excellent resource for anyone interested in internet marketing. Whether you are brand new to the world of affiliate marketing or you've been dabbling in it for a while, there is something for every level of experience. For beginners, the lessons start with the fundamentals and provide an introduction to what affiliate marketing is and how it works. As you progress, you can move on to more complex topics. Ultimately, Affilorama has something for everyone. Mark Ling's Internet Marketer's Success Kit is a great resource for those who are just starting out in the world of digital marketing. It provides step-by-step guidance on how to create and launch a successful online venture. However, it's also great for those who already have some experience in the field. Mark's lessons cover topics such as how to effectively use outsourcing to grow your business or website. So, whether you're a novice or an intermediate marketer, there is something in the kit for everyone to gain from. As an Affilorama member, you will gain access to their free forum, one of the largest forums on the internet dedicated to affiliate marketing. The forum is filled with other like-minded affiliate marketing professionals who are eager to share their expertise and experiences. Discussions range from beginner topics to more complex issues, so you can find the support and answers you need at any level. Plus, the Affilorama training staff are also available to provide help and guidance, making it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to get started in affiliate marketing. But be warned, it doesn't give you everything. If you're looking to sharpen your skills as an affiliate marketer, Affilorama's free membership package is an excellent resource to get you started. With a wide range of tutorials and training resources, you'll be able to get up to speed quickly and start making your mark in the industry. However, don't be fooled into thinking this is the only tool you need. To become an authoritative affiliate marketer, you'll need to invest in other resources such as web hosting, SEO tools, and PPC tools. With the right knowledge and tools, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. If you're looking to take your affiliate marketing skills to the next level, you'll be pleased to hear that Affilorama occasionally offers a $1 trial of their Affilorama Premium subscription. This subscription gives you access to a range of invaluable resources and training, all of which are designed to help you save time and money in your affiliate marketing endeavors. So if you see Affilorama offering a $1 trial of their premium subscription, be sure to take advantage of it. It's an amazing opportunity to access top-notch training and resources at a fraction of the cost. I'm really happy I signed up to Affilorama's membership. I've really enjoyed the video lessons, and it is great to get training from a millionaire affiliate marketer like Mark Ling. To get your own free membership, sign up now.